the time when I nearly died and encountered God's love for the first time in my life. I was 14 years old at the time. I was playing Australian rules football and one of the opposition players ran through me, splitting my kidney in half. I was rushed off to hospital on the Saturday morning, and by the Wednesday evening, my health had deteriorated to the point where the doctors felt that I wasn't going to wake up the next morning. A Catholic priest was called and the last rites were administered. I distinctly remember on that night praying one of only a few prayers that I knew, which was a Hail Mary. And at the end of that prayer, that line of "Pray for us now and at the hour of our death," just pierced my heart. And for the first time, and genuinely I believe through the intercession of Our Lady, I felt that God loved me. And it was an inescapable love. And I actually went to sleep that night genuinely hopeful of encountering God. I'll be honest, I woke up the next morning and was slightly disappointed that I hadn't passed away. But that encounter of God's love through Our Lady and through the sacrament of last rites was something I'll be forever grateful for.